Mbere ya mucirithania wa igoti ria Naikuru Kipkurui-Kibelion ni kuria wari mutongoria wa gikundi kia Mungiki Maina Njega akinyirio umuthi na kuria ahinguriirwo thitango cia mahitia matanyihire 7 maria makuruhainio na gikundi giki. Njega arekanite ati ni mumbemba wa gikundi giki kia Mungiki na ati ari na rekodi na maratathi ma gikundi giki na ati ni arigite kugia na mucemanio gwake mucii mwena wa Wanyororo gicigo-ini kia bunge kia Bahati kaunti-ini ya Naikuru na mahitia maya mothe arekanite kumatabania gatagati ga tariki 11 na 12 mweri uyu hamwe na andu angi 11 aria matauma mbere ya igoti umuthi.
So although there are so many charges claiming that he is in an unlawful organization, the DCI seems to acknowledge that he is a former leader. Therefore, the charges, the police will provide the best evidence that the charges before the court cannot stand.
Mahitia mangi maria Njega athitangiirwo ni kunyitikana na mithogoto 90 ya fagi mucii gwake mwena wa Nyandarua gatagati ka mahitia mangi.
The accused is restrained from making statements either through press or in public rallies which make any direct reference to this case.
Wakiri wa Njega ndegwa njironi oririe igoti ireheane riathani ria kugiriria ateti gutuhuka miario ya guthukiria Njega ritwa na njira ya kumukuruhania na Mungiki, no mucirithania ni aregire kuruta riathani riu akiuga gutire na wira wothe oheanitwo mbere ya igoti.
On that application, no material has been placed before me on the alleged utterances, hence it's difficult for me to issue a blanket order.
Those statements, knowing the experience this country has had previously with the same group to which the DCI acknowledges that our clients does not belong to, can invite and indeed threats were issued that young men will be subject of extrajudicial killing from a very, very high office. I have no reason to doubt that that can happen, especially if the same is done by the second person in command.
Mutongoria wa Kenya Mathakarwo orio nake ekinyirie igoti-ini riria rita wakiri wa Njega augite ati thitango ici cierekeirio kuri Njega ciumbitwo na mithingi ya kiuteti na muoroto munene ni guthatia matanya ma Njega ma kiuteti.
These charges are politically motivated for the sole intention of curtailing his political and civil rights.
Hamwe na ateti a mwaho wa Azimio aria mauma igoti-ini ni Jeremiah Kioni, Mwangi wa Iria, George wa Jakoya na Eugene wa Malwa. Njega ni arekererio na mbundi ya ciringi 100 na cira ucio kagwetwo ringi tariki 20 mweri ukite.